What is up, YouTube? I'm back with a different type of video compared to what I've posted. Um, I'm actually gonna go to garage sales or yard sales and check out things that I can find for my personal collection and stuff like that, and things that I can flip for some money, extra cash. Um, there's a community yard sale going on. Um, couple minutes away from my neighborhood, so we're gonna go check that out. And then there's also a what's it called, a community, or not a community, it's a community yard sale but at a church, so we'll go check that one out. And we'll see if we can find anything worth getting for myself, or stuff that I can flip. This is something new I want to try out and see, just for fun, and see if it gets any traction in my YouTube, or clips for TikTok and stuff like that. We'll try that out. Just bring in a little more cash through the side, and we'll see what we pick up.
¿Esta es su bolsa?
Individually, how much are they?
Huh?
Individually, how much are they?
Yeah, individually, all depends. Like these are like $3. These are like 2 for 5. This with the horses is like $5.
Okay.
Yeah, all depends.
These are cool.
Yeah, some of these they just new. Like all of this Batman right here. This one right here. This one right here. So some of them I Google it and they cost us $20.
Oh wow. Like this one.
But you can check it in your phone. You can check the price in your phone.
For this set right here? For this set right here, how much?
For
Yeah,
all those?
yeah, all those.
Antonio, checa bien el precio.
$55. This days come out of the market.
Yeah.
They're new. You're not gonna find it. They're new. Yeah, like this right here, this right here, this right here. They kind of- But these are the latest.
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry.
sure.
get all the judges
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah, my mom told me.
Where's everything?
Well, if not, maybe $1, $2.
Porque yo vuelo con Ranger. También es Ranger.
Can I take this one then?
Yeah. And those things, it's got a little bit of, they'll come out. We spilled coffee on it this morning coming in.
How much for this one?
For you?
Yeah.
Take it. Cheers.
For real?
Just leave the hanger.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Morning.
Make for some of the best buys, especially when it's a Nissan certified vehicle from the old car Nissan. Fully inspected, these Nissan certified cars, trucks, and SUVs make great buys.
Excuse me.
You'll be protected
Ma'am,
with the remainder
for the
of
controller?
Nissan's limited 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, roadside assistance, and 1-year free maintenance. Want to make a great buy on a vehicle? Get a Nissan CPO vehicle at world-class Nissan. Go to Nissan.net and find yours today.
License key CLV 57541R.
Hi there, Ben with First Call Plumbing, Heating and Air. Texas summer heat is on its way. Make sure your system is in tip-top shape. Call First Call today to beat the heat. 1ST,
Texas has some of the highest volume of 18-wheelers in the nation. Big trucks can cause serious accidents that may result in serious injury or sadly,
Yeah.
Ask your doctor or pharmacist about getting vaccinated with pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a Pfizer vaccine that can help protect against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumonia.
Ma'am, you'll do 25 for these? Ahí tienes peso. Vamos una. This is 24. Thank you. You have change for 20? What about these?
Those, the rest of them are $1. That's the only thing I have right now is 5.
I'll take this. So it'll be 7.
Star Wars fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, my son was too, but he just stopped liking Star Wars after.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good one. Alright, so we're back at the house, and I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up from the garage sales and the yard sales or whatnot. I'll start off with this one, with the Spider-Man. I didn't record it because I didn't have my GoPro when I went. I didn't have it ready. This was 25 cents, but I bought it with a t-shirt for my personal collection. This was 25 cents and the shirt was $1, so I just paid it. I asked the lady for $1 for both, and I got it. This one on eBay goes around 10 to 15 bucks, so that should be a good profit right there for free. The other ones, I'll show you. So these two, as y'all saw, were $1 a piece. On eBay they'd be going for $3 to $5, so I'll probably put 5, and then shipping, they'll pay shipping and whatnot. The one that caught my eye though was this one, which I paid $5 for. On eBay, new, they're going for like 20 bucks. Used like $5, so probably put like 10 bucks. Hopefully someone picks it up, you know. I'm pretty sure they will like us. There's people out there that like Star Wars and they want it for their collection or whatnot. There are VHSs. The outside box is kind of messed up, but once you actually open it, they look like they haven't been used at all. Like they look brand new. So I'll put that definitely like in the description of my eBay. The link in my eBay, if y'all see these and y'all want to check them out, they are gonna be in. The link to my page on eBay is gonna be in the description. So if y'all want to go check it out. Now the one that I'm definitely gonna make profit off is the controller. The Series X, or not the Series X, the Series 1 controller, the Elite controller for Xbox. I paid 25 bucks for it. The lady was asking 35. I said 25. I don't want to go lower than that for her, because you know these are pretty good. It works. It looks brand new. It comes with all the little attachments, accessories. I would keep it, but I mean, I'm not a tryhard at video games, so I'll just stay with the regular Xbox controller. I play PC either way, so there's only a few instances where I use the controller, like for racing games and sport games, stuff like that. So this one I picked it up for 25. On eBay I saw one that sold for 80, so I'll probably put like 70, since it comes with everything and it looks brand new. The joysticks look brand new. They don't even look like they're worn or anything like that. So yeah, so that was it. I'll put, if I remember, I'll put like little pictures of how much they sold, or if they sold before I post the video. The Spider-Man, I like the Spider-Man. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm a real big Spider-Man fan. I did post it though, so if y'all see in the link, feel free to check it out and whatnot. Yeah, that was it for this week of me shopping. I went today and then yesterday, which was when I got the shirt and the Spider-Man little plush toy from 2001. So it is old. I want to do more videos like this where I have my GoPro, as y'all see earlier in the video. I want to try flea markets. There's a flea market close by that's really big on Wednesdays and Sundays. Probably be going on Wednesdays because that's when stuff starts coming in and stuff like that. I would try garage sales. I have an app where like it shows like garage sales in the area, so I'll check that out. There were a couple here before I left my neighborhood, but I didn't see anything good. Well, there were a few new things, but since they were new, they were asking way too much. Well, for me, because I would have not made any money like flipping it or whatnot. I met a couple of people while hunting for stuff. Some dude walked up to me and asked me for YouTube and stuff like that. If I was doing YouTube, I had a quick chat with him and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the video or not. But that's pretty cool. Hopefully I can like meet more people, stuff like that in the flea market, like with the GoPros and setup like that. That'll be pretty cool. So yeah, that'll be it for the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all like these type of videos, you know, and you want to check out more, we'll definitely start doing more, or see if I can do more weekly stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one.